Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Can you believe it? January is practically gone at this point. I feel like this year is going to go by so fast. So hopefully it's going to be a fast and furious one, but at the same time, one that's very rewarding. Today's piece is actually a rendition of somewhat of a sunburst, if you will. I used several different shades of oranges, pinks, and red, as well as white to try to achieve what I wanted to achieve. I got a lot of really nice cells because of the Floetrol I use in my pouring medium. So yeah, with all of that being said, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you guys. And yeah, let's get right into the video. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and leave me a comment at the section below. So as you can probably tell on at this point in the video, I wasn't necessarily happy with this particular middle section, so I added more of my white because I knew that the Floetrol will actually react with the paints and it would allow for more cells to actually be created, giving it a little bit more definition, a little bit more pizzazz, if you will, rather than just a big, you know, red blob. For some reason the red kind of took over, which is kind of nice, but at the same time I was definitely not expecting that. But yes, ultimately this is our sanctuary, so anything that will make you happy with your piece, you know, feel free to explore. At least that's what I do. I try to make sure that, you know, if I'm not necessarily happy with a portion of the piece or anything like that, I just try to fix it. And if I for some reason don't like the end product, then I am very quick to either scrape it off or reuse that canvas for something else. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share with everybody you know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!